Uzoyithola kanjani uhlele koneni? Lo ngumbuzo bajabulene nawo umhla nezolo abantu abatsha kweli. Kungoko amawakawaka abantu abatsha bezilahlela nofele ekuqaleni amashishini abo.
Ngaqala ngasebenza endaweni yaseBinoni. Ngasebenza ngalo business lama-aluminium. Ngithe mangibheka ngiyabona ukuthi hayi lento nami ngisengayenza.
Omnye umuntu omtsha nothabathele kuye uxanduvo lekamva lakhe ngumfundi oneminyaka engamashumi nonesidanga kwizifundo ze-psychology. Kwishishini lakhe wenza amakhandlela.
If you go to school, there's a lot of unemployed graduates at the moment. So I thought I don't want to be an unemployed graduate because I am a graduate. I studied psychology. I was supposed to graduate this April, but because of the COVID, it didn't happen. So I thought into branching out.
Ayonto intsha kuchivula ukuzivulela amathuba.
So I look up to my mom because there was a point in time where she sold veggies and fruits at the corners, you know. So I looked up to her. She taught me the spirit of hustling. I mean, even half of my undergraduates, I was a waiter.
Nangona abantu abatsha kweli bejonge imingeni liqela, kodwa abanye bazivulela ngokwabo indlela eya empumelelweni.